Right. Morning, Mo. This is what you get every morning when you wake up, isn't it? Hello. Hello. Get off. Get off. Down. Stay there. Good girl. Down. Good girl. Good morning. How are you? Did you good sleep? You sleep well? Down. Good girl. Did you sleep well? I'm gonna come down now. Just don't, jump on my legs, okay? Good girl. Morning, everybody. We're just up and packed away. Roof's back up. Slept really well last night. It was cold outside. It was a little bit cold. Well, not down here because Molly had the full room to herself and she had the heating on, which is just here because she likes that, don't you, Mol? And then we were upstairs, sleeping bag. One of us had a hat on. It was really nice. Slept really well. Slept, obviously, best sleep I've had this week. And slept till 8 o'clock. So now we're gonna have breakfast. And you've got to be out of this one at 10:30. So I would say this is a really nice campsite, like the site. I do think they need to, which they probably are doing, with the amount of spaces there are and glamping pods, is they need to have more toilets. And there's only one for the men that I can find, and there's one shower, and you have to pay £1 to shower. So yeah, I really like it, and we're just gonna have some breakfast. This is our pitch, and we had a lovely night's sleep. That's our view. I showed you last night because there's vans here and some just near the reception. Big gravel spots, and you got these cute little pods, and then down here there's more gravel spots, and the toilets are just there. Ladies, one man. But yeah, nice there. There's your electricity point with your water. You get your own bench, and basically your own garden. Your own little French bulldog. Hey, Mo. What's for breakfast then?
Pancakes.
Pancakes. Banana pancakes. Finish that off.
Where's the banana, Molly? Where's the banana?
Somebody loves bananas.
No?
What? Okay. He says somebody loves bananas and Molly doesn't eat it. Yum yum. Give me. I'll have it. Come on, Mol. Here you go. Good girl. You want it? You love bananas. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good girl. You're so fussy, aren't you? You're such a fussy little girl, aren't you? You are. Yeah. Good girl. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum yum.
put this in the...
That's not bad. So we got banana pancakes with blueberries and some maple syrup. Oh, looks good. We got the birds singing outside. Oh, what's this?
Icing sugar.
Icing sugar. Looking nice. Yum. We're just finishing off, we're just cleaning up now before we go. Had breakfast, put the
Go
roof.
for a walk, right?
Oh yeah. So we've had breakfast, we've put the roof down, we're going to go for a walk because there's a nice, well, we think it's a nice walk. We haven't actually done it fully. Put our boots on, and then once we've had a walk, we're supposed to be leaving here at 10:30 because this place is 1 o'clock arrival, 10:30 departure, and then we're off. We've just got to put the cable away, which you could do now, and swivel the chairs around. We're ready to go. Washing can get done at home. Now, I'm going to try and get it all back into that box. 25 metres of it. It's going to be like magic. It's going to go all the way off the floor into this lovely little box. Or get your wife to do it.
Where's Molly?
The expert. Molly's just sat in the van. Van needs a wash. Hey Mol. Just getting ready, aren't we? Mol. Let's get ready. Okay. See, we want to probably lose this box for winter, for summer, and then put something else there. But you've got to change your boots because it's so muddy and wet in the UK or Europe. You need them. So go for a walk. This walk just takes you to the local village. Like walking in fields. We're only going to do about 20 odd minutes because we have to be out at the campsite by 10:30. Might be a little bit late. So we've walked to the public footpath and we're gonna have to go on the road because that's the sign, little sign there saying keep going. So you have to walk down the road for the looks of it, unless anybody's been here before. So we're gonna do that and go to the cafe. Welcome to the Old Forge Farm Shop and Cafe. We're a dog-friendly cafe, outside and in the barn. Okay, so dog-friendly outside the cafe. Okay, we're in the barn. It's cute. Mole. Mole's allowed in the barn, aren't you, Mole? You're on. Oh, that's cheating. You have to start again.
Serious, start from here.
Yeah, start again.
I didn't even touch it. See. That's impossible.
On our way back, it is worthwhile just mentioning that obviously this is Stonehenge campsite. We're about 4 miles from Stonehenge, so you can walk there 4 miles. Obviously you can drive there, but we're 4 miles from Stonehenge, so you can't actually see it from the campsite clearly, but you're close by. And it is a good little campsite. If you've got your own vans and your own toilets, you're sorted. We are in California, we don't have our own showers or toilets, clearly. That's just a small walk, 25 minutes. And we're just about ready to go now. We've had the cafe stop. We are a little bit later, but looks like so is everybody else. So I think it's 11 o'clock. And then we'll just pass off. It's going to take us a little bit to get home. It's not too far a journey for us.
Puzzle.
It is like a puzzle. Everything's got its place. You see, we've not brought a lot, and we don't intend to take a lot with us, so now we can get all these different things. The other thing we are going to have to find a space for is our camper chairs. They might have to go in the van. Nice. Honestly, for us, it's so much easier. We don't have to lift everything out now. And job done, ready to go.
Level.
Oh, levelers, yeah, we got to put the leveler down. Good point. Always one thing you try to drive off and you realise, oops. Okay, so I'll reverse the van. Yeah, he's the next door. Dumble, we're going now. We're going to go home and drive back now. You ready? Say goodbye. So we're going now. Lovely little campsite. I'm sure it's going to look really nice in summer. It is obviously open during winter, so gets muddy in areas. But just say one thing. Obviously, we mentioned it before, but for us, like when I want to go to the toilet, there's only one toilet, so I couldn't get in because there's a toilet and shower. And then the ladies' toilets is the sort of porta cabin down the bottom. I don't think there's enough for the amount of tents and vans that are going to turn up in summer, but I'm sure they're looking at that. But yeah, good stopover for a night. See you all there. Bye. Bye bye.